This year and every year in fact, consider taking a break from the usual routine and carve out a new holiday tradition at sea. Holiday cruises for festivities like Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's Eve are fantastic ways to celebrate the holidays away from home without compromising on the food, decorations, or parties. Imagine this: every detail taken care of, from your room being tidied up twice a day to enjoying the ultimate holiday dinner without you having to lift a finger. A holiday cruise is all about making memories with your friends, family, or partner. Anything but time-consuming tasks. The only thing on your to-do list is to maximize your quality time and spend each day the way you want to spend it. So, I am Kev, and in this video I'm going to discuss the top 9 reasons why you will love spending the holidays on a cruise ship. First reason: everything is taken care of. One of the most appealing parts of holidays with a cruise is the all-inclusiveness. With your accommodation, meals and entertainment all wrapped up in one place and cost, families can easily plan their vacation without all the extra worries. Not only will you know much to budget ahead of time, but you'll also get to avoid the classic holiday argument of where to eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's all sorted. Before talking about second reason, if you are new to the channel, make sure to leave a subscribe. Let's move on. Second reason: there is something for everyone. Cruise ships are like floating resorts with a wide range of activities to cater to everyone in the family. Many ships have kids clubs, teen lounges and family-friendly shows, along with swimming pools, water slides, sports facilities and spa treatments. You can also choose your preferred type of cruise, from adventure cruises to luxury cruises. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a little bit of both, a cruise holiday has got you covered. Reason number 3: exquisite dining. Cruise ships are known for their exceptional dining experiences, and the holiday season is no exception. Indulge in sumptuous feasts, special holiday menus, and exquisite culinary delights prepared by talented chefs. Whether you crave traditional holiday fare or international cuisine, the ship's restaurants offer a variety of options to satisfy every palate. Reason number 4: safety and security. With trained staff, security personnel, and 24/7 medical facilities, families will feel well taken care of while on board. It's also a great opportunity to let older kids or teens go off and do their own thing independently, as parents can feel secure knowing their kids are safe on board. Reason number 5: stunning destinations. Imagine waking up to a new and exciting destination every day. While on your cruise, you can explore tropical islands, historic cities, and stunning coastal landscapes. Celebrate the holidays in a different way as you discover the beauty and culture of various ports of call. Reason number 6: unforgettable memories. The combination of holiday magic and the luxury of cruising creates a recipe for unforgettable memories. From watching fireworks light up in the night sky on New Year's Eve to exchanging gifts with loved ones in the backdrop of an ocean view, these moments become cherished memories that you will treasure forever. Reason number 7: stress-free travel. Instead of dealing with the hustle and bustle of holiday travel, airports, and packing and unpacking at multiple destinations, a cruise offers a seamless travel experience. Your accommodations, entertainment, and meals are all conveniently located on the ship, allowing you to fully enjoy the holidays without the usual travel hassles. Reason number 8: visiting multiple destinations. On that note, one of the best parts of a holiday with a cruise is the chance to see lots of destinations without having to take lots of flights, trains, or buses. Your family will get to explore diverse cultures, cuisines, and landscapes, all while enjoying the comforts of the cruise ship. Reason number 9: meeting new people. Cruise holidays are an amazing opportunity for families to meet like-minded travelers from all over the world. As you share and bond over new experiences, it's easy to connect with people and form lasting friendships. Your cruise family might just be one of the most memorable parts of your family's cruise adventure. So, my final thoughts. In essence, spending, for example, Christmas and New Year aboard a cruise ship provides the perfect blend of celebration, relaxation, exploration, and magic. It's a perfect opportunity to create lasting memories with loved ones and immerse yourself in the holiday spirit and welcome the new year in a truly unforgettable way. Have you ever been on holidays with a cruise? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for latest updates and watch other videos as well. Stay tuned and keep traveling.